Safran is one of the main participants in the OCEAN2020 consortium, which won a major contract as part of the European Commission's 2017 Preparatory Action on Defence Research initiative. This European Commission's OCEAN2020 project, with €35 million in funding, aims to develop a technology demonstrator that will validate the concept of deploying a complete array of drone systems, air, surface and submarine, for surveillance in a maritime environment. The Leonardo-led OCEAN2020 consortium won this contract by uniting companies of all sizes, along with academic institutions and government representatives from 15 European Union countries. The winning team will conduct 2 demonstrations involving the operation of new surveillance systems and integrated information processing systems, deployed in several European naval exercises, first in the Mediterranean in 2019 then in the Baltic Sea in 2020. During these naval operations, Safran will deploy a maritime surveillance version of its patroller drone. The only fixed-wing, long-endurance drone taking part in these demonstrations, the patroller will also be outfitted with a new mission system, including a maritime surveillance radar, an automatic identification system, AIS, for ships and Safran's Euroflirt TM410 optronic pod, already used on the Army version of the patroller. The data collected by this multi-sensor suite will be transmitted to the combat systems on several warships, as well as to operations centers. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.